Hey y'all, this is Elvis Partha from Dream Steemers Carpet Cleaning. I'm going to start some of these video series where I give new cleaners advice. More or less what this video is going to be about is stand your ground in regards to your pricing. Know what you're worth. Know basically when to charge what you need to charge, which actually is it's on every job. So I'm at this I walked into this job at $200, and the gentleman that hired me to do this, it's a nice house. It's not like the greatest in the world, but for New York this is pretty nice. It's a gated community, kind of high-endish, and again, basically I walked into this at five areas at 200, and as you can see, the master was oversized. He didn't include this hallway. Then we got the stairs with the landing. Yeah, what else we got? It's really not that soiled. That's not what this video is about. It's not about the soiling level. It's about the size of the rooms. So he somewhat lied. Not every customer you're gonna run into is gonna describe the job exactly the way you would like it. So now I'm in the living room. It's oversized, about 100 square feet. So what I did, I charged him, I didn't charge double, I just charged an additional 35 cents per square foot for the oversized areas of the square footage. So basically what this video is about is, if you walk into a job and the customer wasn't really honest with you, just be prepared to stand your ground and possibly leave. If you weren't told the truth, then you got to explain to them that this is what you charge. Be very transparent about your pricing on your website, which my company is, and go from there. Just tell them what you're worth and be prepared to leave if there's confrontation. I actually had a job like that yesterday, where hopefully she's my client now. Very nice city, very nice neighborhood in Long Island, and she tried to throw in an area rug, which was in a room. She tried to throw it in as part of the room. It seemed like a custom-made wool rug. So I basically explained to her that for rugs, there's a different pricing. She said that we spoke about it over the phone and that I agreed to just throw it in, and I just stopped her right there. I told her, listen, if you're gonna say things like that, you spoke to me basically, I'll just leave. I don't want any confrontation. My pricing is very transparent. She tried to compare me to a bait and switch company. So I straight up, I let her know from the beginning, listen, I'll just leave. And sometimes that's what you got to do. And then from there, she basically respected everything I had to say. I measured the rug, I charged her accordingly. Everything is on my website. There's nothing hidden, no hidden fees. Everything's straight out in the air. So she probably miscommunicated with me. And it was just a miscommunication. And from there, everything was groovy. And I completed the work, picked up the check, and went on about my day. And hopefully I got a client. by being transparent and being very upfront and honest about what I'm doing, what time I'm coming. I was actually, that's another thing you guys got to do, is be very punctual with your appointments. Send reminders. Get to the point where you're almost not, I wouldn't say harassing, but just send them enough reminders to make sure that appointment's on. Take deposits if you can. My company, we don't take deposits, so I do get a cancellation here and there, and it's upsetting. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this informational video. It's not that bad. Nice neighborhood though. I would hopefully love to be back here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll post some during work, before and after kind of spiel, what I usually do. All right, maybe see you guys soon in after work. Maybe for sure there. Woo! It's hot. Hot. Wow. It's probably the dirtiest part of the house here.